Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. My name is Aryama, a student of Dairy Science and Food Technology, Banaras Hindu University. Today we will have a brief discussion about the study of quality management system in India. So now let's start. So what is quality management system? A quality management system is a formalized system that documents process, procedures and responsibility for achieving quality policies and objectives. A QMS helps synchronize and direct an organization activities to meet customer and regulatory requirements and improve its effectiveness and efficiency on a constant basis. These quality management systems are indispensable in each sector of the food industry to ensure safe quality food for the consumer. What are the benefits of quality management system? It has better process control, process improvement, increased productivity, increased legal certainty, support for strategy development, increased customer satisfaction, simplified traceability of process, improved product or service quality, and easier initiation of employees. Elements and requirements of quality management system. The general elements of QMS includes the organization quality policies and quality objective, quality manual, procedures, instructions and record, data management, internal process, customer satisfaction from product quality, improvement opportunity. Each element of a quality management system serves a purpose towards the overall goals of for meeting the customers and organization requirements, ensuring each of the elements of a quality management system is present ensures proper execution and function of QMS. How can we implement quality management system? First, design and build. It serves to develop the structure of quality management system, its process and plans for implementation. Senior manager must oversee this portion to ensure the need of organization. Deployment. It is done by breaking each process down into sub-processes and educating staff on documentation, education, training tools, and matrices. Control and measure. It can be done by through routine systematic audits of quality management system. The species varies greatly from organization to organization depending on size, potential risks, and environment impact. Review and improve. The goal is to determine the effectiveness and efficiency in each process towards its objectives, to communicate these findings to the employee, and to develop new best practices and process based on data collected during the audit. Now we will discuss one by one about all the quality management systems used in India. First, ISO 9000. ISO 9000 is defined as a set of international standard on quality management and quality assurance developed to help companies effectively document the quality system elements needed to maintain an efficient quality system. They are not specific to any one industry and can be applied to organizations of any size. It provides guidance and tools for company and organization. It provides ensure that their products and services consistently meet customers' requirement for consistent improvement in quality. The ISO 9000 family is a set of 5 quality management system standards that include ISO 9000, which deals with the fundamentals of quality management systems, including the 7 quality management principles that underlie the family of standards. ISO 9001, it deals with the requirements that organizations wishing to meet their standard must fulfill. 9002, which is a model for quality assurance in production and installation. 9003, which deals with the quality assurance in final inspection and test. 9004, which gives guidance on achieving sustained organizational success. What are the quality management principles? The quality management principles include customer focus, leadership, engagement of people, process approach, the improvement, evidence-based decision making, and relationship management. This has to be done step by step from taking from customer's focus to the relationship management. Now coming to ISO 9000 2015. This specifies the fundamentals and vocabulary used in all these ISO 9000 standards. It describes the fundamental concepts and principles of quality management which are universally applicable to the following: organizations seeking sustained success through the implementation of a quality management system, customers seeking confidence in an organization's ability to consistently provide products and services conforming to their requirements, organizations seeking confidence in their supply chain that their product and service requirement will be met, organization performing conformity assessment against the requirement of ISO 9001. ISO 9000-2015 specifies the terms and definitions that apply to all the quality management and quality management system standards developed by ISO 176. ISO 9001-2015, this is the requirement standard that provide directions on how to achieve quality requirements. It meets the significant regulatory requirements. It improves satisfaction for all the stakeholders, customers and stakeholders, etc. Have a method of identifying and implementing the informants. All the requirements of ISO 9001-2015 are generic and are intended to be applicable to any organization regardless of its type or size or the products and services it provides. ISO 2004-2018, it gives guidelines for enhancing an organization ability to achieve sustained success. It provides a self-assessment tool to review the extent to which the organization has adopted the concept of ISO. Now coming to ISO 22000. ISO 22000 is a globally accepted international standard which specifies the requirement for food safety management system. It implies requirements in a food safety management system where an organization in the food chain needs to demonstrate its ability to control food safety hazards to ensure food is safe at the time of consumption. It is applicable to all the organizations regardless of size which are involved in any aspect of food chain and want to implement systems that consistently provide safe product. It consolidates that conditions regarding trade, communication requirements, etc. originate from a common frame. ISO 22000-2005, which specifies management for a food safety management system, where an organization in the food chain needs to demonstrate its ability to control food safety hazards in order to ensure that the food is safe for consumption. Traceability in the feed and food chain, the general principle and basic requirements for the system design and implementation is included in ISO 22000-2005. ISO 22000-2018 is the new version of ISO 22000 which specifies requirements for a food safety management system to enable an organization that is directly or indirectly involved in food chain to plan, implement, operate, and maintain a food safety management system providing products and services that are safe in accordance with the intended use. Also, to demonstrate the compliance with the applicable statutory and regulatory food safety requirements. The basic difference between ISO 9000 and 22000 is that ISO 9000 is for quality management and ISO 22000 deals with food safety management system. Now talking about Bureau of Indian Standards, the BIS is the national standard body of India working under the agency of Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Government of India. It is established by the BIS Act 1986 which came into effect on 23rd December 1986. It has 25 members drawn from central or state government, industries, scientific and research institutions and consumer organizations. Its headquarters is in New Delhi with regional offices in Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai, Chandigarh and Delhi and 20 branch offices. The organization was formerly the Indian Standards Institution ISI set up under the resolution of then Department of Industries and Supply. The ISO was registered under the Society Registration Act 1860. BIS certification allowed the license to use the ISI mark on their product which is synonymous with the quality products. A new BIS Act 2016 which was notified on 27 2nd March 2016 has been brought into force with the effect of from 12 October 2017. This act established the Bureau of Indian Standards as the National Statutory Standards Body of India. The ISI mark is given on the above. You can see it. The main objective of BIS include harmonious development of activities of standardization, making and quality certification, providing new thrust to the standardization and quality control, to provide quality assurance, to protect consumers from hazardous products, to promote consumer. Now coming to AGMA. AGMA, the Directorate of Marketing and Inspection, enforces the Agriculture Produce Grading and Marketing Act 1937. Under this act, grade standards are prescribed for agriculture and allied. AgMark is a quality certification mark. It acts as a third-party guarantee to quality certified. It ensures that quality and purity of the product, the standards for agriculture commodities, are framed based on their intrinsic quality. The products available under AgMarks are pulses, whole spices, ground spices, vegetable oils, wheat products and milk products, and some other products like honey, compound asafoetida, seedless tamarind, gram flour. Prevention of Food Adulteration Act 1954 PFA. That the Directorate General of Health Services on the behalf of central government or the chief officer in charge of health administration in a state operates PFA rules. Broadly, the PFA Act covers the food standards, general procedures for sampling, analysis of food, powers of authorized officer, nature of penalties, and other parameters related to food. It deals with the parameters relating to food additives, preservative, coloring matter, packing and labeling of foods, prohibition and regulation of sales, etc. The provision of PFA Act and rules are implemented by state government and local bodies as provided in the rules. APEDA, the Agriculture and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority, was established by the Government of India under the Agriculture and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority Act passed by the Parliament in December 1985. The authority replaced the Processed Food Export Promotion Council. Its headquarters is in New Delhi. The APEDA also functions as the secretariat to the National Accreditation Board (NAB) for the implementation of accreditation of certificate bodies and the National Program for the Production (NPOP) for organic products. Products monitors are fruits, vegetables and their products, meat and meat products, poultry and poultry products, dairy products, confectionery, honey, jaggery and sugar products, cocoa and its products, and etc. Now MOPEDA, the Marine Product Export Development Authority, was constituted in 1972 under the Marine Products Export Development Authority Act 1972. The MOPEDA functions under the Ministry of Commerce, Government of India, and acts as a coordinating agency with different central and state government establishments engaged in fishery production and allied activities. It implements development measures vital to the industry like distribution of insulated fish boxes, putting up fish landing platforms, improvement of peeling sets, modernization of industries such as upgrading of plate freezers, installation of IQF, generator sets, ice making machines, etc. India mainly exports frozen fish, cuttlefish, squids, dried items, etc. Food Products Order FPO 1955 established under the Ministry of Food Processing Industry. The main objective is to lay down quality standards to manufacture fruits and vegetables products, maintaining sanitary and hygiene conditions in the premises. It also gives direction regarding packaging, marking, labeling of containers. It is mandatory for all the manufacturers of fruits and vegetables products, including some non-food products like non-food vinegar, syrup, sweetened aerated water, to obtain a license under this order. Meat Food Products Order 1973. Processing of meat products is licensed under the Meat Food Products Order 1973, which was hitherto being implemented by Ministry of Food Processing Industry. The main objective is to regulate the production and sale of meat food products through licensing of manufacture, enforce sanitary and hygienic conditions, prescribe for the production of wholesome meat food products, exercise strict quality control at all stages of the production of meat and meat food products, fish products including chilled poultry, etc. Under the provision of MAPU, all the manufacturers of meat food products engaged in the business of manufacturing, packing, repacking, relabeling meat food products meant for sales are licensed, but excluding those manufacturers who manufacture such products for the consumption on the spot, like a restaurant, hotel, boarding house, snack bar, eating house, or any other similar establishment. Milk and Milk Products MMPU 1992. Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy. The objective of the order is to maintain and increase the supply of liquid milk of desired quality in the interest of general public and also for regulating the production, processing, distribution of milk and milk products. Vegetable Oil Products Control Order 1947. And the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution established it. The vegetable oil products industry is regulated by this order through the Directorate of Vanaspati, Vegetables, Oil and Fat, Department of Food, Public Distribution, Ministry of Consumer Affairs and Food and Public Distribution. So thank you so much. Now if you have any doubt, you can write in the chat box. Thank you so much for